The design you see here is from the US, and this plot of land features a couple of buildings. So the design is being developed here. There's a 20-foot scale bar at the bottom and a north indicator, and some plants have been left on the right hand side, symbols rather, and they'll be dragged into position. Our designer wanted a PDF version of the design at this stage to send to a client, and was having some difficulty with it. And the reason being that transparency has been used in developing the colours for parts of the building. And any gCADPlus drawing with transparency can present trouble or difficulty when you want a very high resolution plot. Well, the simplest way to produce a PDF is to go to a layout and then file and save as a PDF. This little dialog box pops up and you can set the region, so I'll pick window, and you can set various levels of detail in the resultant PDF, so I'll pick maximum, and then we'll OK that, and we can, because we're looking at a layout sheet, we can set a box around the area of interest and we'll pick test, and that'll overwrite that file, but it'll produce a PDF file very quickly and throw us into Acrobat Reader where we can see the result. And you can see it's quick, it's effective. And if we zoom in on the result, you can see it's a little blurry. It leaves a bit of detail. In my view, that's fine for sharing with a client, but you might want a much higher resolution. We can do that, but there is a characteristic set in this drawing that's going to make the generation of the PDF file a long one. The alternative mechanism for generating a PDF is to use File and Print, and then Print to change here, and then choose some form of PDF writer. In my computer I've got BullZip or CutePDF. CutePDF is the one I routinely would use, and set your paper size and so on. I'll cancel from there and cancel back. If I use that option now, it would work, but it takes an awful long time, maybe 7 or 8, 10 minutes to plot a resultant PDF. I'll show you the result shortly, but it does take a lot of time. The reason it takes a lot of time, we'll go back to the model, is that the colours that have been used, there's a fill being applied to a rectangle here, and see over here in the properties box, transparency has been set to 50. So we're controlling the colour in here, another transparency set at 25. And it's when you set transparency within the gCADPlus drawing, printing to PDF via CutePDF and other writers just takes a long time. And the best, if you want quick high resolution PDFs, it's best to set colour by picking a specific colour. So rather than magenta, you would come down here, go to select colour, pick true colour, and come into the sort of magenta area about here, and then pick a light colour like so and apply that. Let me unselect all. What have we done? I think I've deleted it. Let me try again. There's our pink colour with its red, green and blue values. Let's pick it and now unselect all. I didn't make a mistake, it's just so faint that it's difficult to see. So let's pick that one and we'll do that again. Select a colour, true colour, come into the magenta area here. We won't be as bold this time, and we'll do that and unselect all, and we still have a problem. Has that moved to the back? No. Silly me. I've left the transparency set at 25. That goes back to 255. And there's our colour. So the same would apply here, where we had a fainter colour in that area. I think I inadvertently removed it. However, I digress. So you can pick a faint colour using true colour, and the drawing will print really quickly. Well, here's a zoomed in view of the PDF file generated where the design has transparency. We pick up things such as I've left a thick border around that zone. I want a fine line, but can you see that in the symbology that's in there, there's very great detail. So if you want high resolution, print to a PDF writer. Try and avoid the use of transparency if you want to do that.